Wave House by LSD Architects in Tamarindo, Costa Rica. Placed on a small terrace in the mountains of Playa Tamarindo with amazing ocean views, we found Wave House. It was conceptualized as an elongated structure, positioned on an existent terrace, with two main volumes separated by an open but covered terrace, dividing social from private areas. The house was designed on multiple levels for better use of the existing terrace and sloped areas around it. For independent and very particular roofs, overlap on top of the social and private areas, unifying the program of the house and bringing a lot of light in between the roof, creating a unique space for the social areas. Steel columns support the roofs with just a few lower walls, creating very big openings to the views and bringing a lot of natural light into the spaces, and the elongated shape of the house improves natural cross-ventilation throughout the house. This house was created with the intention of increasing the interaction of the interior and exterior space so that the user can truly experience life in the tropics.